coming out? You want to talk to Daddy? You want to say something for Daddy? You got nothing to talk about now?
Dada. Hi.
Where's Dada?
Dada.
What'd you do at school today?
Dada.
What else did you do?
Dada.
No paparazzi.
Dada.
Wow! You getting down? Careful. Careful, careful. What's on TV? Wow.
That was a good pitch.
You coming back up? Oh, up goes Violet. Can you wave to the camera? Hi. Your camera? Is that your camera? You see the flashing red lights, Daddy.
Oh.
Yeah. What you got? Fish? Fish? Is that your fish? Are you putting your fish in your bucket? Ta-da! You're gonna be a magician. Yeah, you are. Don't lean back. 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 Oh, wow. Hooray, Red Sox. Yay. Yeah. Yeah, go Red Sox. Can you dance for Mommy and Daddy? We're really mesmerized. Yay! Whoa! Wow! Woo! Yeah? You going back down? You dropped your fish! You dropped your fish! Where'd your fish go? Can you put your fish back in your bucket? There you go. All ready to go. And we're off. Yeah. Is that for Mommy? Thank you. Yay. You need it back? You need it back? Mommy's not done with it yet. Mama's not done with it yet. There's no need to get frustrated. You're not drinking it anyway. Ready? Give more kisses? You're just trying to get Mommy's hair. Can Mommy have more kisses? What are you doing? Oh, that hurts. That hurts. You're not gonna like it when people pull on your hair. What? Are you trying to wear it? You want to put it on your head? You want to put the hair on your head? You have lots of hair on your head. Boop. Now we're sharing. Yay! Woo! You going down? Yeah. What? What are you looking for? Are we not done? Mommy's full of drool. Where'd your fish go? Ta-da! Watch out for Miles. Careful. Go around. There you go. Be careful.